Hi guys, today in this video I will show you Avast free antivirus full download process. But before this, thumbs up for the video and also subscribe to the channel. So let's start. The first step is to open your browser and type Avast free antivirus. Press or enter when you type this. Open the second website that appear here. It is Avast official website. Once it is opened, you will see this type of interface. The link will be given in the pinned comment. You can just click on it and open this type of interface. Now scroll down in this website. You will see a free download button there. Click on that button. The antivirus will start downloading. Its setup is 8.6 MB. Once it is downloaded, click on the setup to open it. Click yes on the administration permission. And it will take a little bit of time, so you will wait for it. It is Avast free antivirus installing progression. So I will show you after it is. Once it is opened, just accept the two option and click on customize. I will recommend it to set as it is, means it to default. Then click on the install button. It will start installing, you can see. Do not turn off your computer when it is installing, otherwise you will lose your progress. So I will meet you when it is installed completely, so you will wait for it to install. Okay, it is installed. Then we will continue and we will select free trial. Continue without free trial because we will have to purchase it. Run first scan. The first scan is so quick and it have detected two issues. If you want to resolve it, then click on the resolve all button which is there, or if you don't want to resolve it, skip it for now. I will skip it for now. Now it is scanning for malwares, and I have shown you the Avast free antivirus full download process. So this was all. Hope you like it. I will recommend you to restart the PC to apply the changes. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. So bye for that.